Hey guys, this is Vlad from Workout Clarity, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a very quick and easy tuna sandwich recipe that you can do. So all you need for this recipe are a very few ingredients. First of all, you will need a tuna in a can. You can either buy it with water or oil. Ideally you want to buy it with water, otherwise it will have more calories. The next thing that you will need is some ketchup, also with low calories. I'm using this one. It has 40 calories per 100 grams. The next thing is liquid eggs. You can also buy it online or at any store, I believe. You will also need some oil with 0 to little calories. This has 1 calorie per spray. After that you need some lettuce, and the last thing that you will need is some slices of white bread you want to do actually. So these are the ingredients, and now let's move on to how to do the recipe. So the first thing that you want to do is open your pan at medium-high heat, so around 6 is okay. You will spray the pan around 4 times is usually enough, or let's do 5 for this one. And while you wait for the pan to heat, what you want to do is take the egg whites, put them in a bowl. I just eyeball it for now, but I will write in the screen how much grams you need. What you want to do afterwards is take the slice of bread and put them in the egg whites so they can absorb the eggs, like that. Or you can just leave them there and it will absorb the egg whites automatically. So once the pan heats, then we will put the bread on the pan and wait for them to cook. But I will be back when the pan is ready.
A few minutes later.
Okay, now that the pan is ready, what you want to do is put the slices of bread with the egg whites on the pan. You can take the rest if there is something and put it on the bread like that. So this will take a few minutes. Obviously you want to do it from both sides, but while you wait for the bread to cook, what you want to do is take the tuna. I have oil, so I'm going to let the oil out. If you have water, again, it's better. In case you want to eat less calories, that's okay. And actually you don't need the whole thing. You can use half of it or a little bit less of half. So if you usually about this much is okay, for example. Again, I will put the grams on how much you need on the screen. And what we want to do now is take the ketchup, put it on the tuna, and after that you will start to mix it. You need to mix it really good so it is combined together. And this is what it should look like when you mix it, so you can take a better look. Okay, and now we still wait for the bread. Once it's ready, we will be back. Okay, now the bread is fully cooked. So what you want to do now is take the tuna with the ketchup, which we mixed, and spread it on the bread. And after that, what we want to do is take some lettuce and put it on top of the tuna and close it with the other bread. So that's basically how it looks like. So this was the recipe, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like that. As you can see, it was pretty easy to make and it doesn't take too much time. So thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.